Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open recovery mode on OPPO A60. The first thing that we need to do is turn off our device, so we can press the volume up and power button in order to open the power menu. Or if you don't have Google Assistant enabled on power button, then of course you can press and hold the power button instead to open the power menu. And of course we need to drag this white circle towards the power off option. Now, once the device is off, then what we need to do is press and hold the volume down button and the power button together. So press and hold both buttons at the same time until you see the OPPO logo. Once you see the logo, you can release the buttons, and now we need to wait a couple of seconds to enter the recovery mode. We don't have to do anything at this point, just wait for the recovery mode. Alright, right now we are in the recovery mode. Over here we can tap on English, and as you can see we have recovery. We can format data, we can reboot device, or we can power off. We can just tap on the option that we want to use, or we can use the volume down and volume up buttons in order to navigate, and then we can confirm the selected option by pressing the power button. So of course I'm gonna just reboot my device as I don't want to do anything over here. And then we need to confirm that we want to reboot. And this is also how we can exit the recovery mode. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!